Hey guys, welcome to Tech Insight Pro. And this is your host. The Facebook announced a big security update a few days ago. They sent a mail us till 28 October. If we not activate two-factor authentication, they will disable my account or another account who does not protect his account as two-factor authentication. So this video I will learn how to active Facebook Protect, how to active two-factor authentication on Facebook. I will teach to you on screen, on mobile screen and desktop screen how to activate Facebook Protect on your account. So let's go. Before, don't forget to subscribe my channel. At first, go to your Facebook apps and tap three-line menu. Scroll down, tap settings and privacy, then tap settings, then tap password and security. After that you see check your important security keys. Tap here, security checkup, one issue find, fix now, turn on login alert and turn on two-factor authentication. Two issue, first issue login alert I am turning on, 3 steps, then it is green tick. After that I am tap two-factor authentication, turn on two-factor authentication, then get started, then tap text message SMS. Then if you have already phone number, tap continue. If you don't have phone number, tap add phone number and type your phone number here, waiting for OTP. Facebook send to you 6-digit OTP to confirm number. When you receive SMS OTP, then type this OTP and tap to continue. Best two-factor authentication is on. Now I am recheck security checkup 3, all are green tick. That means I am successfully activated my Facebook Protect. So now you can protect your account from right now. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.